The Name Game. Noah loved school, except for one thing. Some kids laughed at his name. Every time they did, Noah felt smaller, like he wanted to disappear. One day during recess, the teasing started again. Noah stared at the ground. That's when Ava stepped forward. "Stop," she said. "That's his name, and it matters." The playground went quiet. One kid shrugged. "We were just joking." Ava shook her head. "Jokes don't hurt people." The teasing stopped. Noah looked up and smiled for the first time that day. Ava learned that being brave doesn't mean being loud. It means doing what's right. Hey friends! Words are powerful. They can lift someone up, or they can make someone feel very small. When we laugh at someone's name, their clothes, or anything about them, it may feel like a joke, but it can hurt their heart. Bullying isn't just pushing or shouting. Sometimes it's whispering, teasing, or leaving someone out. But here's the good news. Just like Ava showed us, one brave voice can make a big difference. Being brave doesn't mean being loud or mean back. It means standing up kindly and doing what's right. In our classroom, we choose respect. We choose kindness. And we make sure everyone knows their name and who they are truly matter. Bye, guys.